Today we're going to do a type of photography which seems kind of easy, but it does actually require some special skills. And the thing is, it's going to require even more skills because apparently we have to cook our own food for food photography.
Fun, isn't it?
The producers challenged us to give a quick guide on how to do food photography, but they wanted us to cook the food first, which meant buying the ingredients. So we dragged a lambie along while we played with the shopping trolley. This is the naked food photographer.
Muffin, salad, asparagus, basil. You can see just how dead they are by looking at them. Butter, bacon, medium brown eggs, 6 of them.
And instruction manual, don't show the face, and of course, the camera itself.
I'm excited, right? I can't make anything else.
It's not cooking anything.
No, I can't cook. I can't cook anything.
Yeah, I can see that.
While Locke was picking out the nicest salad leaves, I thought I'd get started on something more ambitious.
I'm going to do eggs Benedict because I want to eat it afterwards.
But waiting for water to boil is boring, so I got started on something else.
Let's take it back.
Hi.
Alright.
Should you turn it?
Water was boiling, so I thought I'd get cracking.
It's like those Chinese soup.
Oh no. Okay, that's gone wrong. That's fine. No, they're in. These babies are in.
Luckily, you don't need to worry about giving anyone food poisoning because you just need to get the colour out of the food. But don't overdo it, otherwise it will end up limp like a... never mind. Meat generally looks better when you cook it.
I think this definitely needs oil. Whoa. It's alright, that's good. It's all good.
We could, you know what, get some thing.
Oh. Alright. I've got a little surprise. Thing is, he doesn't like touching anything raw in terms of meat. Nothing with blood. So what better early birthday present than a load of chicken feet?
What's this about?
Oh no! Oh, you know what? Those chickens have come in the door again, and they've dropped their feet off, and then crawled away. Oh, those bloody chickens!
It's really birthday.
You assholes!
What do we do with this?
We probably need to marinate it. Maybe add a little bit of sauce, and then well, you might need to cook it first.
Some people are ungrateful.
Let me try to do this.
Jesus. Alright.
Oh, come on, you used this before,
Yeah.
it's alright.
And I know what it's. See, I wasn't joking.
After a little bit of trial and error, we finally managed to get our food ready and on the plate. Here it is. Made them look like a proper meal by adding the sauce, brushing the vegetables with oil so they don't look dry, and wiping the plate. Styling the food is a crucial part of food photography, so do it properly.
A bit of olive oil on the salad as well. It's better than just spray water on it because water vapor very quickly.
Adding a little bit of oil to the vegetables make them look a bit shiny, fresh and tasty. I like to shoot from a point of view as if you're the diner about to tuck into your Eggs Benedict.
It's still a bit too contrast.
It's a bit dark.
Yeah.
We need to brighten up the shadows with reflector.
If you look at the object using photo and find which direction, which angle to shine light. The closer the reflector, the stronger the reflected light.
That's good.
This is right. But maybe you can break the egg yolk a bit and let it...
It's nice to capture the food when it's bleeding its eggy yolk everywhere. But food doesn't stay the same. Some things change colour, some things go soggy. Time it and get that shot before it's too late. And here are the photos. Food photography is all about the 3 P's. Preparation, presentation, and photographerization. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Subscribe.